The new version takes styling cues from the SUV's recent midterm refresh. It replaces the previous turbo version, though it's also the automaker's most powerful Cayenne yet. There is a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine under the hood of Porsche's new model, which is offered with SUV and coupe body options. It produces 591 horsepower and is paired with a 174 horsepower electric motor. Total system output is 729 horsepower and 700 pound-feet of torque. Porsche says the powertrain can propel the Cayenne Turbo E-Hybrid to 60 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds. It has a top speed of 183 miles per hour. The Cayenne Turbo E-Hybrid has a larger 25.9 kilowatt-hour battery pack that the automaker has mounted under the cargo area. Porsche says the new 11 kilowatt onboard charger with a suitable power supply can reduce battery charging time to less than 2.5 hours. Other improvements increase the battery's electric range, but the automaker hasn't released those numbers yet. Porsche controls the ride with the adaptive air suspension that's standard on the high-performance SUV. The system's two-chamber, two-valve technology allows for compression and rebound adjustability, allowing Porsche to widen the gap between the system's Comfort and Sport Plus settings. It comes standard with Porsche Torque Vectoring Plus, Porsche Dynamic Chassis Control and rear axle steering options. The Turbo E-Hybrid will stand out with its unique front panel with larger air intakes. Porsche paints the wheel arches and lower rear panel in body color. Red brake calipers and two dual exhaust pipes complete the visual details of the E-Hybrid. It also features standard HD matrix design LED headlights as standard. The SUV's interior features a Racetex headliner, heated GT Sport steering wheel, aluminum door and instrument panel trim, and 18-way adjustable leather sport seats. Comfortable seats that can be adjusted in 14 directions are also available. Porsche is also introducing a new 15-watt, air-conditioned wireless charging pad. The SUV gets the same improvements as the rest of the updated 2024 Cayenne lineup, including an updated instrument cluster with a 12.6-inch curved driver display and a 12.3-inch infotainment screen. Porsche says the Turbo E-Hybrid is available to order now. It will start reaching dealers in the second quarter of 2024. Its price will start at $148,550, including $1,650 destination fee. The E-Hybrid Coupe is slightly more expensive, starting at $153,050. The entry-level Cayenne continues to use a turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine that produces 348 horsepower and 368 lb-ft of torque. It's also much cheaper than its Turbo E-Hybrid siblings, starting at $80,850. But the Turbo E-Hybrid is more affordable than the $197,950 Cayenne Coupe Turbo GT with 650 horsepower.